Bottas and Vettel side by side. Bottas squeezes in and goes round the outside to try and take second place.
Oh, Lewis.
Hamilton.
In 1984, Ayrton Senna's talent shone at the Monaco Grand Prix. Starting 13th, he surged through the rain-soaked track, overtaking legends like Keke Rosberg and Niki Lauda. Senna's charge was halted by a red flag, but his brilliance was undeniable. Senna's first victory came in 1985 at the Portuguese Grand Prix. Driving for Lotus, he dominated in wet conditions, lapping everyone but Michele Alboreto. His extraordinary pace and control showcased his unmatched skill in challenging weather. In 1988, Senna's rivalry with Alain Prost peaked at the Japanese Grand Prix. Despite a poor start, Senna fought back from 14th to take the lead. His relentless pace secured his first world championship, a testament to his determination. Senna's 1989 Monaco win was a masterclass in overcoming adversity. Despite losing gears, he maintained a blistering pace, finishing 52 seconds ahead of Prost. This victory highlighted Senna's resilience and his unmatched prowess on the iconic street circuit. Senna's emotional 1991 Brazilian Grand Prix win was a triumph of willpower. Battling gearbox issues, he held off Riccardo Patrese to claim victory. Exhausted, he was lifted from his car, a hero to his adoring Brazilian fans. In 1993, Senna defied the odds at the Brazilian Grand Prix. Starting third, he capitalized on changing weather, outsmarting rivals with strategic pit stops. His victory was a testament to his tactical brilliance and adaptability in unpredictable conditions.
It's a bit unusual. Alonso's going to go. Oh, Weber coming through now. There's been a collision.